Peace and blessings, fam. Welcome back to my channel, West Coast Finest Hair. Yes, today I'm going to be walking you through the ultimate hair care secrets to protect your crochet braids and keep them looking fresh and fabulous for longer. I'm also going to show you the best protective cap to use when installing your crochet braids. In this video, I'm going to share with you my top tips and tricks on how to install your crochet braids to prevent damage, shedding, and breakage to your natural hair. This is the best and the ultimate protection method, whether you're a beginner or you're a pro. This video is a must watch for anyone who wants to keep their crochet braids looking their best while protecting your own hair all in one. Okay, so again, I am using this crochet cap to protect her hair. That is most important when you are wearing any protective style, whether it's crochet braids, a sew-in hair weave, a quick weave. You want to make sure that your hair is being protected to the fullest. I've also known that many people struggle with maintaining their crochet braids, leading to frizz, shedding, and sometimes premature wear. I've seen so many people struggling with this, and it's really frustrating because it can be avoided with the right techniques. Yes, frizz, damage, or shedding can be a major setback, especially if you're trying to keep your braids in for an extended period of time. Not only does it affect the appearance of your hair, but it can also lead to breaking and thinning. And let's be real, nobody wants that. So I found using a gentle sulfate-free shampoo is the way to go. So yes, if you are going to be washing your hair while you have your crochet braids in, use a gentle shampoo, nothing harsh, and make sure that it is sulfate-free because that is more gentle on your hair and it won't strip your natural hair of its natural oils. You definitely want to preserve your natural hair oils. This also leads to another common mistake a lot of people make, which is not moisturizing their hair enough when they have their crochet braids in. You want to make sure that you are moisturizing your hair because that is essential to keeping your hair healthy and strong. And it's especially important when you have your crochet braids in. Moisturizing is also a key to helping keep your hair hydrated and healthy. I like to use my G&G hair growth butter and hair growth oil. Introducing our new hair growth oil. Yes, G&G has done it again. This is our 100% all natural hair growth oil. Yes, it is packed with organic hair growth ingredients to do what? Promote hair growth. Yes, our prices are very affordable, only $15. So yes, tap the link below to order on our website. Yes, get your order in today. G&G Hair Growth Oil.